Hallo alle zusammen und willkommen zu unserer zweiten Frage. Welcome to our second question. So, Matt hat gefragt, ich kenne Matt. Hallo Matt. Was ist deine Lieblings-Comedy-Serie in Deutschland? Also, es gibt ein paar Comedy-Serien und die ich euch empfehlen würde, sind folgende. Erstmal, das ist ziemlich lustig, das heißt Knallerfrauen. Ja, Knallerfrauen. Und das sind so kurze Sketche. It's just short sketches and they are kind of funny, yeah? They have subtitles in English. Unfortunately, not in German. So it's just some funny stuff. You can... yeah, you can watch it later. Knallerfrau can mean two things. First, it can mean that the woman is very hot. Die Frau ist sehr heiß, sehr sexy oder geil. Yeah, she's very hot. That can mean Knallerfrau. But Knallerfrau can also mean that it's kind of a quirky, loud and funny woman. So another one which I really like, this is one where I can show you on the screen. I think your Netflix in Germany has it and maybe also in the US, you have to check. It's Turkish für Anfänger. Turkish für Anfänger. So basically Turkish for beginners. It's really funny. I watched it. So it's a German and a Turkish family moving in together and all types of stuff happens. Maybe you know that we have a lot of Turkish people in Germany. So it's really funny. It's cool. I like that one. So another one which is really for learning German is Extra auf Deutsch. I already talked about this one in a video. I put all the links in the description. Yeah. And then there is one here which is called Verstehen Sie Spaß? So basically, do you understand fun? And they play pranks and all kinds of stuff. So that's also kind of funny. I think they might also have German subtitles. Let's have a look. No, here they don't. But they also, yeah, they show cultural stuff and things like that. Let's see here. Ah, yeah, hier sind deutsche Untertitel, there are German subtitles here.
Die geht für uns auf Schneestreifen mit Blaulicht, einem Radarföhn und jeder Menge neuer, schwer bekloppter Pistenregeln. Sagen Sie mir! Na, wunderbar. Wir messen jetzt nämlich mal die...
So I will put the link to this video in the description, and then if you want to see more, you can click here, Verstehen Sie Spaß, okay? And the last one, actually, I also asked my friend which ones I should recommend you. And the last one I have for you is this one. It's called Pastewka. I never watched it, but my friend told me that it's pretty cool. And here, so for example, Alkohol und Autofahren. So alcohol and driving cars. And they also have auto-generated German subtitles. And it's also pretty funny, I guess that's what she said. Das schaffst du schon, kein Problem. Yeah, so you can have a look. These are the ones which I would recommend to you. The ones that I really like is Knallerfrauen and Turkish für Anfänger. And the other ones are also awesome, but I just only watch the beginnings usually, but probably you will like them. Falls ihr noch andere Empfehlungen habt, bitte schreibt sie in die Kommentare. If you have other recommendations, please let me know in the comments. Okay, and I will also put the link in the description, all the links in the description. By the way, übrigens, habe ich noch ein Video über TV-Serien, deutsche TV-Serien gemacht. Ja, I already made some videos about that. Okay, gut. Ich hoffe, das hilft dir, Matt, und auch allen anderen. Dankeschön und tschüss.